So we're in Turkey. Where in Turkey are we?
The Aydın province, but also the Muğla province on the Aegean coast of Turkey.
And this is Rikki.
Hi.
She's been living here for
5 years.
We met when we were like 15?
Yeah.
Yeah, when we were 15. We both modeled in Minneapolis. And then we moved and lived in Oakland together. Is that a chicken? Yeah.
My dinosaur friend.
A little dinosaur chicken. And we were roommates. And then we were supposed to go to Europe together after we were roommates.
But Hannah bailed on me.
I didn't bail on you. I didn't have enough money. So she left for the Europe trip and then she just never came home. She's been here ever since.
We saw each other once in Minnesota.
In the last 5 years.
Yeah.
Yeah. I finally made it here to Turkey and I've been here for about a week now, 5 days. And this is our last day. But yeah, it's been crazy fun. So they live, well, it's Rikki and Altay, but he's not here right now. We couldn't find him. So he'll probably pop his head in. They are living in here.
Hey.
In their van. Get in here.
Mine.
Introduce yourself.
Oh, Altay. This is Altay.
This is
Altay. So we've been living in a van.
They live in a van. They live in this van in Turkey.
For about 2 years. And a year without a home before that. Homeless. In tents and
what do you guys do here?
I'm a tour guide.
Yeah.
Design hiking routes.
And that's kind of how you guys met, right?
Yeah.
Like you were
I was volunteering to
like
paint his waymarks.
yeah, basically this whole trip, like the last 5 days, we've been almost all on your path. Like
yeah, the
sections
trail
of
is
your
pretty much everywhere.
yeah. So everything in the video so far has been like a lot of the places you can get to on this trail.
And the Carian Trail.
Yeah,
The name of
the
it.
Carian Trail.
The Carian
Trail.
Trail.
The
That's
Carian
the
Trail.
name of the
So
ancient
go hike on the
civilization.
Carian Trail.
Yeah. Is your book about the Carian Trail?
Yeah, the whole book is about the Carian Trail. They had a book in 2013 in English for the whole route.
What's it called?
Now it's the Carian Trail.
The book?
Carian
That's
Trail
just what it's
guidebook.
called? Oh,
It's
okay.
just a guidebook.
Most people would probably go first to Istanbul, then to Cappadocia, Ephesus, then to Antalya.
Is that a good route?
Yeah, it's
Like
it's a major touristic route. That's like a 10-day, 2-week trip. Then, if people have more time, they spend a little bit more on the coast.
Okay, and we're on the
Like
coast.
we did. Yeah,
right
but
now.
the places we've been are sort of not on the
Off
usual
the-
tourist path.
As you can see, this is a van, so I've been camping outside.
Yeah.
Other than that one night we took showers.
Yeah.
Hotel.
The one shower.
The one shower we had. We had a shower at the very beginning too.
Yeah.
And today we had a shower. The place where we are camped now is actually a village, and it's on top of
Where are
an
we right now?
ancient ruin. We are in Lake Baffa.
We're in, it's called Kapıkuru.
Kapıkuru. And the ancient city is called Heraklia.
So they just built their village on top of the ancient city.
Or
so
they,
we're gonna go walk around and see like
or they
some
never
ancient
moved.
wall next to like some guy's shack.
Every morning I've woken up and been staring at like a castle.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, that's like
the
last
lakeside.
night.
Yeah. Do you think it'd be easy to like, if you were gonna come here as a tourist, like to rent a car and do like car sleeping? Like you could do like this, what we've been doing, and like sleep in
Sleep
the car.
outside a tent. Or,
Yeah, like if you brought like a tent and
Yeah,
a sleeping
for sure.
bag. Yeah, so you could probably just do exactly what we did.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's really not hard, and there's water everywhere.
When people die, their family, they build a fountain in memory of their dead relative.
Yeah.
So,
But it's
on a
like
lot of-
fresh, it's like good
like
drinking
drinking
water. So that's been like super useful. Like, cause that's the one thing you worry about when you're like camping, really. Cause you could even, you know, get like a bucket of water and then you could like wash up too.
for sure.
So that's like the one big thing about Turkey that makes it super easy to car camp or just camp in general. Yeah, I would say if you want to do a trip like what you've been seeing in this video, it's really pretty simple.
And almost every village has like a shop to do any
Yeah,
shopping.
little markets.
Yeah, little markets, and it's really simple. It's very easy. You could do it for so cheap. It's so cheap here. It's so cheap here. So if you're in a car or camping or whatever, it's even cheaper. Yeah, I survived. What did I pull out?
$100.
$100 for the whole week. And I just ran out. But that was, I bought like 7 Turkish towels and like, and a pair of sandals. And so. Turkey. It's beautiful.
Come to Carian Trail.
Yes.
Karya yolu. Carian Trail.
Carian Trail.
Carian Trail.
Carian Trail.
Carian Trail. Plug it. Plug it.
Carian.
This is the new version, and this will be on Amazon in about a week. The English version of this book should be up on Amazon by the time this video is out. So I will probably put a link in the description if you want to check it out. He wrote it. She translated it.
Yay.
They've lived the heck out of that trail. So.
And this is the next one to come.
That's Rikki.
This is me.
Show it off.
That's gonna be Rikki.
That cover has been through some wear. This cover went on the trail, it looks like.
Yeah, I think I got ran over or something.
Alright. Well.
Bye!
Signing off! Alright. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Wow! Okay. Just take over my blanket, why don't you?